recall from week 0 that one of the first problems we solved was looking up someone in a phone book. Well, here I have a pretty thick yellow pages wherein there's a whole bunch of products and services alphabetized from A to Z. And we can, of course, look up the number for someone in this book. For instance, suppose today we need a plumber. Could we ask Mariano to find us a plumber in this phone book? Flipping through a few pages, a lot of pages. Okay. Yeah, OK. All right. And we have a page full of plumbers. And now, could your dad have done better, do you think? Yes. Could you? I think so. So would you like to show Dad and other parents here what you might have done instead? Oh, my goodness. OK. Thank you. And for those wondering, let's continue the algorithm, if you will. What's your next step? Nice. And why are you doing this, though?
So I open halfway, and then if it's not on the page and it looks like, for example, if it's N, I know P is afterwards, so I need to get rid of the first half and just look at the second.
Well, need to is a little strong, but you can get rid of. Yes, indeed. So if you keep this process going, having and having and having, what should you be left with ultimately?
Just the letter P.
Just the letter P. So a round of applause, if we could, for both of our volunteers here.